Want radiant, healthy skin? It all starts from within. Here are 10 natural drinks to give your skin that beautiful glow. First, classic water. It's the foundation of skin hydration, keeping it elastic and fresh. Second, coconut water, a tropical treat that replenishes your skin with essential minerals. Third, green tea, packed with antioxidants. It's your best defense against aging. Fourth, lemon water, a refreshing start to your day that detoxifies your body and brightens your skin. Fifth, watermelon juice. This sweet summer drink is incredibly hydrating and perfect for a sunny day. Sixth, berry smoothies. Blend up some berries for a delicious antioxidant-rich drink that fights skin damage. Seventh, turmeric tea. This golden spice is a natural blood purifier, leading to clearer skin. Eighth, aloe vera juice, known for its healing properties. It deeply hydrates and soothes your skin. Ninth, beetroot juice. This vibrant drink boosts circulation, giving your skin a natural, rosy glow. And 10th, chamomile tea, perfect for winding down. It calms irritated skin and reduces inflammation. Incorporate these delicious drinks into your routine and watch your skin transform.
Lastly, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more upcoming natural remedies.